Hey Curly, so today I have a brand new video for you. I finally have my Kylie Loves Jordyn collection review for you guys. So this is the palette. It comes with the mirror and it comes with a nice mix of shimmers as well as mattes. I've actually had this palette for a minute. I got the whole collection because I thought it was so pretty. I created this really cute eye, this smoky, purplish, pinkish, smoky, nice day or night look using the colors in this palette. I've used almost every single color in this palette. I've actually used a couple times. I also really like the highlight. The highlight is super cute. The highlight comes with these 4 shades. They look really nice. They look really nice on. So the palette blends out like a dream. There's very little fallout and it lasts all days. The colors really pop. They look good on darker skin tones. I've seen some videos of a wide variety of skin tones and it looks good. So I really love it. I love this collection. I actually think that everything in the collection was really nice and it's not really overpriced too much so compared to his competition. So I'm going to stop talking and jump right into this tutorial on how I achieved this look today. Alright, so I am here with my very first Kylie Loves Jordyn tutorial. I do have some new stuff on, so I've got my full face on except for my eyes. I've got some new foundation. I got some MAC foundation. This stuff is amazing. Ignore my braid hanging down in the back. I'm just going through a lot over here, okay? So I got some new foundation. I used my LA Girl Pro Concealer for my concealer, and I also used it to base my lids. And which reminds me, I never actually patted it in. And then I have done my brows already. I actually used some eyeshadow. So if you guys didn't know, I have shaved off part of my eyebrow, part of this eyebrow to be exact, but you can't even tell. If you look at it right now, it totally looks 100% natural. You can watch my tutorial on how I accomplished this look. I will definitely link it in the description box down below as well as up above my head so you can see how to fill in bald spots and make it look completely natural. And then I've used my Juvia's Place blush for a really pink cheek. I'm just into really pink cheeks. I think it's because it's cold outside. I just want to look flushed all the time because I'm flustered. So here is the palette because I could go on all day. So these are the colors. I think I'm going to go for, I don't even know yet. I don't know what look I'm going to go for, but I'm going to go for a look. And yeah, so I'm just going to crack right into that. So I've got, I think I'm going to start with some browns as like a base. So I'm going to use Wife Life first. And I'm going to go in just right under my eyebrow. I tap off a little bit of the excess, but not too much. And so as you can see, well, I don't know if you can see, but Wife Life is like a light brown. You can see it showing up. It does show up on the brow bone. So I put that right under as kind of a base. Then I'm going to go in with Sister, which is this darker brown right here. Right above it. I think I want the very top of the the eyelid to look just kind of really natural-ish. And I'm going to blend that into that Wife Life, which looks great so far. So I'm really trying to enhance my eye today. So I think I'm going to do like a pinkish eye, a pinkish purple eye. So now I'm going to go in with my heart, which is this brighter purple shade. And I'm going to just pat that towards the outer corner and then right into that crease. I'm going to blend a little bit into that crease. Just a little bit. Because I want the top to look really brown. And I'm going to bring it to the outer corner and drag it down to give it like a soft, smoky-ish kind of look. If you hear my dog, just ignore her. She's feeling some kind of way because we just had a bath, so she's not that happy with me. And she wants to run around, but until she's dry, she cannot run around. putting wet fur on the furniture. So you're gonna have to ignore all her whining. I know it's really hard to do because it is so annoying. However, I'm gonna power through. So next I'm gonna go in with Love You Beep. It says bitch. So I'm gonna go in with Love You Bitch, and I'm going to put that towards the outer corner to really deepen that shade. That purple I put there earlier, the My Heart. I'm going to deepen that up a little bit with this Love You Bitch. And just in the outer corner, just to smoke it out just a little bit. Which I think looks... And then I'm going to blend it into the rest. I think that already looks so pretty. Now I'm going to switch brushes. I'm going to switch to a flat brush. I think this is my Alamar Cosmetics brush, and I'm gonna go into Don't Ever, I almost dropped it, Don't Ever Leave Me, which is this pink shade. I think this is so pretty. I'm gonna use this flat brush to apply. Oh, that is so pretty. This glitter. Ooh, it sounds like my boyfriend is gonna take Princess out to let her run around a little bit, so that she'll calm down. Even though, to me, it's a little cold to go out if you're still a little wet. But he says that I'm crazy about the dog, which I am a little bit. It's like, this is my first time taking care of anything besides myself. And I'm just trying not to mess it up, you know. This is actually really pretty, this pink. And it's such like a look. This is definitely a look. So I'm going to go in, and then I'm going to take this brush. It still has a little bit of that Love You Bitch on it. And just brush over the top of it and blend the two colors together to give me like a smoky purple eye with the pop of pink. Which looks so pretty. Like, so pretty. And this has like almost no fallout if you apply it properly. You know, now I'm thinking about it, I did not set my concealer with anything. But it really doesn't matter because I'm actually going to be going to bed probably in the next hour or so. I just really wanted to play in this palette because it's so freaking pretty. And I don't get a lot of time to do it. So now I'm going to go ahead and do the exact same thing on the other side. I'm probably not going to talk while I do it, so you don't have to listen to the exact same story. Alright, so I have gotten both eyes done. I put a little bit of my Laura Mercier deep setting powder on just to set my concealer. And now I'm going to jump into the highlights. So I got the palette. I actually got the bundle. So I got the palette, the highlight, and the lip colors. The lip colors are in my purse, and I'm not going to go get them, but they're very cute. That's not what this is about. This bomb purple smoky pink eye is really popping right now. These eyebrows are popping. These pink cheeks are popping. I'm actually really feeling this look today. And you know, you always do the best looks, hair, makeup, whatever, when you aren't going anywhere, and that is my life. So this is the highlight right here. There are 4 colors. They're all really pretty, but I think since I already have on so much pink and purple, I am not going to put one together forever. It's like a pinkish purple one. I think I'm going to do a little bit of the Inseparable, which almost looks like a rose gold. A highlight brush would be nice. Well, I don't see the brush I normally use for my highlights, so I'm going to just take a brush. I'm going to take this brush to be exact and pick up a bit of this Inseparable. Ew, I picked up a bit too much, but as you can see, that is a really poppin' highlight. And I'm going to just carry a little bit up towards the forehead. Soften it by really going in with my blending. That highlight is definitely popping. And now I'm going to do the same thing to the other side. It picks up so easily. It's crazy. And a little on my chin. And a little by my Cupid's bow. Alright, so I have completed the eyes. I've done a little mascara. I put the highlight on. And now I am going to put on, I have the lip colors, but I don't have them over here. So I think I'm just going to put on a Kylie lip, if I can find one. So I've got the Rose Gold lip gloss, so I'm going to put that on. It's not the gloss from the Kylie and Jordyn collab, but it's a super cute gloss. And it's actually one of my go-tos, and it perfectly matches this look. So, this is the completed look. No earrings, no edges laid, no hair done. But here I am serving you face today. So here is a little face for you guys. I got the eyes going. I got the highlight going. I got the lips going. So here's the completed look. I hope you enjoyed it. And like I said, the eyebrows are a work of art today. If you're interested, I do have that tutorial down in the bio. And yeah, I want to thank you all so much for watching this video and spending this time with me. I have been going through the most. I done cut off my eyebrow, did all kinds of crazy stuff. My dog is whining. It's just been a really long couple of weeks. It's been a super long day, but ultimately it's gonna look up. So I hope that you all enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Definitely recommend this palette. It's gorgeous. I actually recommend the highlight. The highlight is gorgeous. The lip colors are gorgeous. It's actually just a really nice collection. So I definitely recommend it. I hope that you like this video as well as subscribe to my channel. I want to thank you all so much for watching, and I hope you all have an amazing day.